Good morning, love. Hi mga kakulitan. Ngayong araw na to is nag-decide kami ni Daddy P na magcha-jogging kami. So, maaga talaga silang gigising. Pero, uunahan ko lang sila ngayon sa aking alarm clock. So, let's go! We were both young when I first saw you. Close my eyes and a flashback stardom settled. Little did I know. And you were Romeo, you were Juliet, flowers, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And now it's crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, save me somewhere we can be alone. Waiting, all that's left to do is run. And I'll be the princess. Good morning, love. Kumusta ang alarm clock?
What's that? Hi mga kakulitan! Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa panonood ng mga video namin.
And don't forget to follow, like, and share our FB page and YouTube channel, Fam Colette.
Sana suportahan nyo po kami lagi. Thank you for watching.